what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the next reaction video. Today we are here to react to another Ethan Animates Minecraft animation. Lies You Keep, Technoblade versus Parrot and Spook. If you guys want more reactions, hit the like and subscribe button and let's go. I'm very excited to see what's going to happen next.
Started off with my bad luck, watching you grow. Told me
Wilbur.
you ran out of love.
Yep, that's Wilbur.
Breaking slow, and you know it's not enough for me. When you
Make sure to check out the original animation in the link in the description below, by the way.
the gravity
Techno,
pulled me closer.
it's time.
Shut it down, so we can focus on ourselves.
Ooh, this song is nice.
Thought we could fix what's burning out. Put my words to spell.
Dream Mask. Wait, isn't that the evil Dream Mask actually? Oh! Oh, this fight scene's gonna be awesome. Ooh, his model looks amazing. Okay. Damn! Ethan always impresses us every new animation. What the? Oh my god, I am sweating. What? That is awesome! Teleportation! Is he dead? Looks so. He's dead? Oh, that was sick. Ethan is improving his fight scenes every single animation. Damn. A book. Are they planning to revive Evil Dream? Are they planning to revive him? No way they actually plan to revive him. Oh, Wilbur! No, Phil! Wait, what? I don't know the dream recipe. I don't know the members. I'm sorry. It's Phil. Oh, Wilbur is in next. Oh, yeah. Okay, I know who Wilbur is now. This is your story. Must decide how it ends. Promise me. Okay. I'm not even surprised at this point. Ethan loves to kill characters in these series. Come out wherever you are. Oh! So that was Phil. Wilbur is the... Yeah, Tommy, Wilbur. Okay. Ooh! That model! Oh, I love those purple eyes. Oh my gosh, that is awesome. I'm sweating. Ooh, what? Oh, wait. Oh, that was sick use of the teleportation. Oh, that reminds me of the portal gun. Oh my. Oh, that is so well done. The use of portals. Oh, that is sick. Wait, did Techno lose? Oh my gosh, I'm sweating. Did he lose? Techno lost. To be continued. Oh, that's gonna be awesome. That is a long outro. Wow, full and note. That song was awesome. That animation was amazing. As always, Ethan Animations is always awesome. And wow. Fight scenes was amazing. Dude, it's like a subscribe factory. Hell yes. Bro, that fight scenes with the teleportation was sick. I think that was Spook? I don't know the Minecraft characters or the people, the YouTubers, but damn. Oh, that was it. Wow. That fight scene with the teleportation was awesome. If you guys have enjoyed this reaction, hit the like and subscribe button. I'll see you guys for the next one. Bye!